The thing that I will be most proud of is my level of confidence in my ability now. Because before I did not have a very strong belief in my ability. After completing the course, I have very, very strongly what I can do. Yeah. I completed the data science bootcamp with Aperitif, the one that was in partnership with Stellenbosch University. Before the bootcamp, I was a mathematics teacher. I did 2 years of computer science at university, and I did up until 3 years in scientific computing. But because I was unable to get a job immediately after completing my degree, my confidence was low because I thought, I'm definitely not able to work in this field. I'm not able to get a job in this field. The project that was the most significant was the last major project that we did, which was a project that we had to create a machine learning algorithm that would predict the housing prices based on the ground living area and based on the size of the garage. And from that project, I learned how to apply machine learning algorithms. I learned how to clean data properly, and I also learned how to analyze data, which was one of the things that I wanted to learn in the course. Learning how to operate on new platforms because I had no previous knowledge on how to use these platforms. And through Hyperion Dev, the course that I did, I was able to learn it. They provided me with the tools and skills to analyze data sets how the company would want to analyze. Through them, I was able to learn how to set up my CV nicely. Then also how to go about approaching an interview because we had mock interviews. So they would guide me in how to answer the questions, whether it was technical or just your most common interview questions. And the biggest way they also helped me was in achieving the job that I have now, because through Hyperion's Dev Career Services Network, the recruiters from the company that I'm working at now, they got my information through them. And then I was able to get the interview, and through the learning processes of the career support, I was able to succeed in passing the interview. My new job, where I'm currently working at, I am a Python developer. I create Python programs that automates the business processes. After completing the Hyperion Dev course, my confidence is shot up a lot because now I know I am capable of doing the programming. I'm capable of understanding difficult and hard concepts and also being able to apply the skills that I need in order to overcome those hard concepts, so to say. So now I know for a fact I'm able to do the work that I wanted to always be doing. Of all the online courses that I have done, it's the only one that offered mentorship and where the mentorship actually helped. So I'll definitely recommend it.